All right, Keith, starting off a little bit rough to the weekend, but it sounds like it's short-lived, right?
Yeah, we're going to be in good shape by the weekend. And actually, I'm going to start with yesterday, which I don't normally do. And the reason is, obscure stat of the day here. This is really interesting to me, at least. Okay, so yesterday we got to 57 in Portland. Yeah. It just so happens yesterday was also the day of the coldest temperature ever recorded in Portland in 1943 at 39 below, which means, I checked with the weenies at the National Weather Service, this is the biggest swing between record low and record high of any calendar day now in Portland. Is that interesting?
Yeah, that's, I mean, 96 degree swing.
You don't have to fake it. Just tell me if it's
being called weenies. That's the real question.
Oh, NWS? Yeah.
Okay.
They're on to it. So anyways, that was yesterday. I thought it was interesting. Let's move on to what's going on right now, which is we've got this front coming through still, changing some areas over from rain to sleet and snow as it drives through. And the temperature profile has been really stubborn along the coast. 37 right now in Portland, 39 in Sanford. Can snow at that temp, but you're not going to get much done. Meanwhile, to the north, it's more efficient at 26 in Bangor and some snow sticking there. And then you can see sleet moving towards Bar Harbor. I'd love to hear reports out of Bar Harbor as to what you're actually getting. Is it still rain or are there sleet pellets involved? All of this crashing to the coast over the next few hours. Then it's offshore by later tonight, and temperatures just keep dropping. And tonight is not going to be super cold, historically speaking, but it will feel cold after the stretch we've been through. Tomorrow's a nice bright day, though. We recover into the 30s for the most part, 30 to about 35 over southern Maine, and then a little bit below 30 across central and northern Maine. Sunday is warmer, back into the 40s, but clouds will increase during the afternoon, so we end up mostly cloudy probably by late afternoon, and a high temperature right around 40 to 42 over the coastline and just inland. So as far as tonight goes, again, it's actually not that cold. In fact, Portland's average low for tonight is 18. I think we'll be about there, 16, 17, 18 degrees. And then inland, right around 10, and then right around 0 in the mountains and across northern Maine. It'll be a big change, obviously, based on where we've been. Speaking of changes, after a quiet weekend, we've got a couple of storms to watch for next week. Now, the first one is a storm in air quotes. Doesn't look like a big deal. Tuesday night, light snow, maybe a little coastal mix, probably talking 1 to 3 inch kind of deal there. That moves offshore. This one's more interesting on Thursday. It's technically an overrunning event, which means there's a warm front here, and the moisture's overrunning the top of that, cold air coming from the north. We do pretty well with these sometimes over southern Maine, so I think this could be a decent snow event for us Thursday afternoon, Thursday night, and into early Friday. But then again, it's this winter, so we'll have to keep an eye on that warm front. Shifts to the north, all of a sudden we got another rainstorm. So active next week. By the way, there could be another one for next weekend, but that's beyond my purview at this time. I just know there's something out there. And I know that because my mother-in-law is retiring, big bash in Massachusetts. And I'm like, come on, really? Like this winter we're gonna catch a snowstorm on that day?
Right.
Can't show my face around there if that happens. Yeah, and they don't want me to show my face anyway. So,
you said it.
So yeah, the weekend looks good, and then we'll see what happens next week as to what it all adds up to. There's still a lot of wiggle room in there.
Gotcha. Thanks, Keith.